Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Half-Life 2 co-op. We will walk through the simple steps to get you and your friends enjoying this classic game together. First, we will cover installing the necessary mod, then setting up your game, and finally, inviting your friends. Get ready to experience the world of Half-Life 2 with a companion, tackling challenges, and exploring environments as a team. It's a fantastic way to revisit a beloved title. To begin your co-op adventure, you will need the Synergy mod. This is a free modification available directly on Steam. Simply open your Steam client, search for Synergy, and click to download and install it. Ensure you have Half-Life 2, Episode 1, and Half-Life 2, Episode 2 installed as well, as Synergy utilizes their content. The installation process is straightforward and typically takes only a few minutes. Once Synergy is installed, launch it from your Steam library. To host a game, select Create Server from the main menu. You can then choose your preferred map and adjust various game settings, such as player limit and difficulty. For instance, you might set a maximum of 4 players. Your friends can easily join your game by right-clicking your name in their Steam friends list and selecting Join Game, making it incredibly simple to connect. Now that you are in-game, effective communication is key. Use voice chat or text chat to coordinate strategies, especially during combat encounters or when solving puzzles. Many of Half-Life 2's challenges are designed for a single player, so teamwork is crucial for co-op success. Remember to share vital resources like ammunition and health packs to ensure everyone stays in the fight. Enjoy exploring the rich world of Half-Life 2 with your friends.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.